Hello. Let me have a seat here. Today I will, ooh, that smell, be doing the transmission downshift recall. It's an older recall now, 19S07, 2019 is when it came out. And the purpose of this recall is to update the strategy in the PCM, powertrain control module, in the event of a lead frame failure when it loses signal with the output shaft speed sensor on the lead frame. It's going to change the strategy. So from the factory, before this recall, if it loses an output shaft speed sensor signal, it will, like the title of the recall, it'll suddenly downshift, like the first gear potentially on the highway, which can cause a safety issue. And this updated calibration for the PCM that we're putting in on this recall will cause it to where it'll go into a limp mode. It'll go into, I believe, 5th gear instead of wrench light, and let you know something's wrong, but it will not go down to 1st gear. So that's the purpose of the recall, and I will go ahead and show you reprogramming the PCM. Okay, I'm initiating the connection procedure with the scan tool. Now, being that this is a 5-year-old recall now, it's possible that the PCM's already been updated in those years since it came out, so I may not have to do anything here. I will at least, check the calibration level, make sure it is at the correct and latest level. So, loading. Scan tool froze up and crashed. I hope it needs to be updated after all this struggle here getting the scan tool to work. If it doesn't need to be updated, I won't get paid. I love being a flat rate tech. Already, I have established communications with the vehicle on the scan tool. Yes, here it's going to finish its network test. Go over to module programming. Click on PCM. Turn the engine off, put the key on. Turn the air conditioning system off. And press OK. And it's communicating with the network, checking the calibration level, seeing if there's a later calibration available. Okay, before it's downloading the calibration, it's asking if it's being repaired for a fuel and oil concern or if a high flow PCV valve has been installed previously. Okay, in order to check that, I need to remove the engine cover. Okay, you see that breather hose right there that I'm almost touching with my finger. See how it's black right there at the end on the valve cover? That is not brown, so it is not the high flow PCV. Therefore, I am going to click no. It's going to select the adequate calibration, which there is an available update. So I will be getting paid today on this job, a couple tenths, so $5 maybe? Let's see. Yes, loading calibration files from the network. It's going to download it from the network and prepare it for installation on the vehicle. Okay, I've sat here a couple minutes and it hasn't communicated with the network yet, so there may be an internet problem here that I have to look at for free. Let's see, I'm giving it a few more minutes, but it's still loading. Oh, thank goodness, it loaded something. Okay. Okay. Battery is in good condition. Confirm. Turn ignition off. Turn ignition on. Enter, and it is now reflashing the PCM. Let me go ahead and pause you there. Loading. Yeah, so it kind of was sitting there stuck on a screen where it said erasing for a minute there. I was getting a little nervous. Okay, well, I don't see a reason to keep you waiting here. Once this is completed, it's going to tell me it's completed, and then I'll clear the trouble codes that it set while programming, and it'll be good to go. And that completes the recall. you know, takes maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and it's done. So if you like this video, feel free to leave a thumbs up, or if you don't like this video, you can leave a thumbs down, and that'll tell YouTube that you don't like automotive videos, and it'll start recommending you videos about doing your hair and makeup. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.